viewers, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Today we'll see in this video lovely viewers, lovely friends and lovely subscriber will see in this video stylish landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Lovely viewers, lovely friends and lovely subscriber, you will see in these videos top stylish and trending unique landscaping ideas. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. I will make the similar videos and present it in front of you watching all creative and trending stylish landscaping ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos till the end. Attractive and trending landscaping ideas. Watch my full videos and enjoy your unique modern garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas we'll explore in this video till the end. So before you will see new all very creative and trending stylish landscaping designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy your creative water and home decorations ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Viewer will see in this video very creative and trending unique garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see in this video top creative and trending stylish landscaping ideas. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. Very attractive and trending stylish landscaping designs. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. You will see all creative garden decorations ideas. So viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys.